this out. Look at that. All they had was those new MBX. Oh man. My man left out of G-Case, right? We're gonna go ahead and open up what Joshua sent me. I already know what it is. So he actually hit me up on Instagram, and he came across the Dollar General exclusive, so I sent him money via PayPal to pick some up for me. Now, I don't know exactly what else he put in here. I know there's one for King Nut, and there's another one for a custom. We got to figure out how to open this thing. Almost there, guys. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, nicely packaged there. All right, so I know he had mentioned that he had sent the blue coupe. So that is awesome. More the merrier, and plus it's a power grab. So I actually do like power grabs, obviously. So awesome, thank you so much for throwing that in there. Oh wow, we got some loose castings in here. All right, let's go ahead and open up this one. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and use the tripod yet again. All right, guys, here we go. Let's open up this one. And these are nicely packaged. Josh, thanks so much for taking care of these. These actually are packaged nicely. Ooh. Oh, there we go. You got the red S550 Convertible. Look at that. Gray interior, red enamel, and you got the chrome PR5s. Man, that looks really good. This must be a factory fresh, because they never throw on headlights and taillights on these. Do I even have a red convertible? I guess I do have it carded, and I never realized it actually does have the headlight and taillight. So yeah, it is out of the factory fresh. Nice. There we go. This is actually going to go up in the display with my other red Mustangs. Next up, we got this one right here. I can already see it. It is the Golf livery. Looks like the 2018. Yeah, there we go. Now I don't have this one loose. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna detail this one. God, I love this livery so much. Awesome, dude. Next up, we got... Ooh, this is for King Nut right here. Oh man, the GT2 in lime green. That is nice. So King Nut, this is for you. He wanted me to let you know that this one was going to you. So that is pretty sweet, man. I know he said there's a silver one in here that is supposed to be for a custom. All right, we got the Borla. Looks like the 2015 S550 with the Borla deco in red enamel. This is another one I don't have loose, so that is awesome. I'm actually gonna detail this one up. Oh yeah, that's nice. Love getting stuff like that. That way I don't have to sacrifice the cards. Ooh, look at that. Oh, that is clean. This is a big time muscle right here. GT500, look at that. Man, this thing does need a little TLC. Look at that. You got the silver with the blue stripes. Of course, you got the Shelby style wheels. I forgot which wheels those are, like Shelby American wheels, it almost looks like. Look at that. God, I hope I can fix this one. Got some massive tires. I might try to sand those out just a little bit because the rims are a little scuffed, but I think it's savable. Look at that. Oh yeah, this thing needs to be fixed just a little bit. Maybe I can fix that wheel gap issue. This is a nice casting though. This is gonna look good. Hopefully I can restore it, because I actually do have these two colors. That is nice. Maybe I'll do a video on this. Nice, man. Appreciate you. Now, to the actual stuff that I bought from him. Let's see what we got in here, guys. Look at that. You got the Vans bag. Oh, yeah. There we go. You got the 67 Camaro out of the Dollar General exclusive. Yes. I had missed out on this exclusive probably last week. I went, the exclusive little shipper was there, and it was all empty. Of course, you guys remember the first variation in white. Man, I love that blue. That blue is really nice. And then another Dollar General exclusive right here, the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Look at this one. And this one actually doesn't have the German flag. It actually just has the red, orange, and yellow. That is interesting. The stripes are a little bit different on this one. You still have the little off-road tires, but it's all right. It looks kind of cool on this one. And then of course, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Dollar General exclusive. So I actually have this one, but while he was there, I was like, look, I'll send you the cash, just please pick them up for me. So I do have the Jeep right here with the other color variations of red, the purple bluish color, and then the satin or matte tan color. All of my little Baja Bugs are right up here. Now the gray actually has the German colors as stripes, whereas the new or the exclusive doesn't. It's got the red, orange, and yellow. So at least not all of them are the same. You got the red one right here. This one actually has the yellow inserts on the hood, the stripes running down the top. That one's nice. The white one, which actually mirrors the same tampos, you got the blue inserts with the blue stripes. And then the last one is the blue one, and this one actually has white, yellow, and orange stripes running down it. It looks like there's 3 variations that actually have mud tires, where the first 2 don't. That is all of the releases that I know of. I'm pretty sure this is all the releases, actually all the color releases of the 70 Baja Bug. Josh, thanks so much for picking those up, throwing in these extras. You'll be getting these sometime this week. I'll have it all packaged up and sent your way. But thanks so much for the Power Grab S550. Absolutely love that one. And then of course the extra loose castings. And then King Nut, here you go. You got the lime green GT2. That is super clean. Awesome mail call, and as well as a peg hunt with the bonus chase, treasure hunt, and super treasure hunt, guys. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts of the 2021 Power Grabs, as well as the mail call with the Dollar General exclusive. So until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.